Hello friends, here we will see how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy J7. It normally happens when you forget your security code, or maybe your phone starting hang up, or battery problem, battery heating problem. Then you can do the hard reset. So please we'll go step by step. What we have to do first, we have to switch off the phone completely in case it is on. Now here we will switch off. Now you press the volume up button along with the power button together and hold it for few seconds. You see the Samsung Galaxy thing which has come. Now you leave the buttons. It will come in boot setting. Now you can see reboot system. Now you have to press power down button and come to the wipe data oblique factory reset and press power button. Again come down from power button, from volume button, sorry, and press on yes by power button. Now it will erase all the data and it will take it back to the new, just like the new one. Now reboot the phone and it is as new as it was when you brought it from the shop. You need to do the initial. Now you can do the initial setup. So this is how you guys reset your Samsung phone. Please take care. Please remove your SIM and your data card before you do the hard reset, because it will delete all the data of your phone and it will take back it to the factory setting. So I hope you liked the video. It was worth watching. Please guys subscribe to my channel and get the latest update on the technologies of your mobile phones, the other gadgets, your computer and laptops. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.